I've only been in Chennai. Da. I spent 2 years in Singapore, but then the rest of my life has been in Chennai.
In Chennai, yeah.
Yeah,
What is
I
your
don't
but
know
I
perception
what.
of Bangalore?
yeah, a very weird perception of Bangalore. Like for example, I know that like your opportunities are a lot better, especially if you want to do anything entertainment related.
Like
Uh,
some scene is always
yeah,
there.
yeah,
That's
culturally, I
true.
think Bangalore is better.
I feel like that way also Bangalore's changing quite a bit. It's yeah, as you said, it's like a lot of it's Bangalore and then Pune and then Bombay or whatever like that. Okay, it
Hmm.
goes somehow like that. But I feel like Bangalore was a space like that gave you so many opportunities. But lately there's been some kind of a you know some kind of a conflict even with that. Lot of live music venues shut down, and even before
Oh,
the pandemic, a year ago, a lot of live music venues shut down because these were in the middle of residential areas. But the people who used to live there used to, it was kind of a co-living experience, right? In a sense, you live along with these cultural parts of Bangalore. That's what makes it so special. But turns out that people were not enjoying the noise complaints and the disturbances anymore. So a lot of like really like iconic live music venues have shut down. It's changing, but I don't know if it's for the good.
No,
Let's
but I
see.
think one thing I completely relate, this whole living in a culturally like cultural place is so true because in Bangalore, right, like the whole like even the concept of Tamil as an identity, like you would have
Yeah,
thought that I would have actually picked up in Bangalore because oh here everybody speaks Tamil, so like it's not something you recognize. But
yeah.
I didn't even have that. It's so multicultural where you're just like you don't realize what language people speaking, where they come from. They're just the dude who lives in your apartment or just the dude who's like from your school. Like it's just
yeah.
so multiculturally in like you learn so much about different cultures without even knowing it. Like that's just a norm, you know what I mean? You don't expect someone to have
So true, because
uh,
I think when I was in Chennai and when I was studying, I did my like what primary school or something there till fourth standard or something. I was in Chennai, and I know that I used to converse with all my friends in Tamil that time because I know everybody is a Tamilian. Like I can I can just blindly go talk to anybody in Tamil and I know that they're probably Tamilian only. But after coming to Bangalore, that changed so much because I started having friends from different parts of the country, and that was so cool because I wasn't introduced to that kind of a culture before, right? And that's all. And also this aspect of Bangalore, of it being such a multicultural city, also gives rise to this feeling amongst people that I don't have to learn Kannada, I don't have to learn the language of the city or the culture of the city. I can just get through it. But that is also so wrong because there is I think that's wrong. I don't know what you guys think about it, but I feel like you can't just there's some kind of taking of granted happening, in that sense that I know some language, I know that some guy in Bangalore will speak that language and I can get through it, so I don't have to learn Kannada. Bro, I know people who are born and brought up here and they still don't know Kannada. So many of my friends
oh
born and brought up here, they don't know a single word of Kannada.
That's just
okay.
weird.
No, that's I think
That's
that's
just
not
wrong.
cool.
And the city gives you freedom, but doesn't mean you kind of start taking advantage of that. Because in other cities, I'm sure it's a necessity for you to learn basics of the language to get through. But Bangalore is a city where you don't have to learn that, but
Yeah,
doesn't mean you should.
that I've heard. I know
Yeah.
so many friends in Bangalore, and then they've not picked up any Kannada. Like it's so weird, right? Like I know friends who've come to Chennai for like a few months or even few weeks, and like I have Korean friends who can speak like to a certain level of Tamil. But then I
Really?
have friends who can't. Yeah, like I have a lot of Korean friends who can speak like to a certain level of Tamil. But like my friends who went to Bangalore, they absolutely know almost no Kannada. Like they can't put out a sentence like
There's no
together.
compulsion. No. Like unless there
Yeah,
is that compulsion that you have to learn it, otherwise you cannot survive. But it's just I just feel like it's so wrong, and I feel like in that way Bangalore has been it's given too much freedom to its people.
Yeah. Because I think that also ends up killing the city. Like there's an excellent saying: to kill a city, you first kill its language. Right? Like with Hong
True.
Kong, people are like Mandarin is slowly starting to take over Cantonese, and it really does kill the like. This is like I said, right? When I went for an internship about 2 years back, certain parts of
Yeah.
the city I couldn't recognize because everybody spoke to me in Hindi, English, or Tamil. When I was
Hmm.
trying to speak broken Kannada and Tamil will seep in, the auto guy, the auto owner will just start speaking in Tamil. And I'm
Pick
like,
up on
wait,
that.
like that's I don't know because that really kills the the authentic soul of the city. You know what I mean? Like the
True,
soul
because
with which it
Bangalore has
started
a
everything.
very deep, like Kannadiga culture, and it's so cool. Honestly, it's so nice and it's very warm and welcoming. But I don't think anybody's making that effort to get to know that, which
Yeah.
is really incorrect in my opinion.
No, completely agree. Yeah. Like at least the effort to no, but the audacity to be like, oh, I don't need to learn the tongue of the region is, I think that's a little
Exactly.
too much. Like
True.
you would never do that elsewhere. You'll actually learn it out of like even like not out of necessity, you learn out of respect. You'll be like, oh,
Respect
okay, this is something new, or this is like
that.
yeah, I think it's completely not cool. I'll give you that 100%. Like
Yeah.
if this happened in Tamil Nadu, like I'm sure a lot of people will just be like in like, hey, speak in Tamil da.
People are
Yeah.
pissed in Tamil Nadu for adding the Hindi text to the road signs. and
It's quite
then
problematic. No, I know.
yeah. So this would be like completely like this would start riots. This would start a huge Jallikattu movement again. I remember I went in auto once, and the auto driver did not know Tamil. He knew Hindi. Yeah,
Wow.
Oh, in Chennai.
yeah, yeah.
Oh
in
my
Chennai.
God.
And
Huh.
I couldn't even look at my phone because I was just so amazed. Like I was like
Amazing.
completely taken back. Like the auto
Yeah.
guy knows only Hindi. A North Indian auto guy is driving an auto in Chennai, and
Without knowing any Tamil.
yeah, I didn't even understand this. Like first, that means that he could survive, right, without knowing Tamil. Like
Yeah.
the trend is changing. Like people are actually conversing to him enough in English or
Yeah.
Hindi that he's getting by. If you go to Phoenix, if you go to a lot of malls, the people who
Yeah.
work in the malls don't know much Tamil.
Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. I've noticed that.
Really?
Interesting. Yeah. It's weird. I didn't even notice that till you mentioned it right now. Correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
So yeah, we're getting Bangalorized slowly.
Yeah. Like, no, but I have a theory, right? At some point, like Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, or whatever, right? Even like Hindi at some point, will use English scripts. Like, because people won't bother learning. Like, I didn't know how to read write Tamil like 2 years ago. Like, I'm still I still like, add one more letter and only learn. So, like, I
I
can't
just learned on my own. I used to sit and read like the boards, the boards outside the shops and all. I used to read it while going back home from school, and I learned it on my own. So yeah,
Oh,
a little bit
damn,
like I need to still
prodigy kid.
double
Yeah,
reading skills.
that's
It's not
Yes.
bad.
No, we are
hey, that's
dyslexic. So
bad.
Tamil is not also friendly for us, okay? Both Adi and we are dyslexic. So like that's all. Everything will be like
Damn hard.
Kathak Mudak only. I think the real spark for me to learn Tamil was I could read better Kannada than Tamil because I learned little Kannada in school back there. So then I was like, bro, we need to fix this. Let's not fix, but like at least learn Tamil for the sake of learning
Kind
Tamil.
attempt.
Yeah.
But Telugu is the second most spoken language here, right, in India?
In India, yeah.
That's what Kamal Hassan told.
Really?
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
in Dasavadaram, at least that's what he told me.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I
Telugu
have
is
a feeling
full
it's
with
another. I
Huh?
have a feeling it's another North Indian language only. Probably like, I don't know, Haryanvi or Gujarati, something like that.
Actually, wait. Why don't we just check?
check it.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's going to be Telugu because there's a lot of Telugu people.
Yeah, that's interesting. I've seen Telugu people in all states. They speak like the native tongue and Telugu. That I've noticed. Like they've migrated well. I know a lot of people that have been all over the country but speak Telugu.
Yeah.
Like considerably. Like I can just
I
think of a
didn't
bunch
know
of
this
people.
at all. I didn't know this at all.
Hey, it's
Like-
Bengali, da.
Bengali, damn. Where is Telugu?
That was-
Let's see when Kamal Hassan was
Telugu has come to fourth.
Oh my
Fourth.
god.
What is
Where's
third?
Tamil? Where's Tamil, Kannada?
Tamil is fifth.
Where is
Hindi,
Kannada?
Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil.
Marathi.
Dude, where is Kannada? Please tell me it's at least on that list.
Hey, Kannada will be on the list, but oh my god, it's sixth. It is below Gujarati and Urdu.
Below Urdu, damn.
Below Urdu.
No, Urdu is like quite widely spoken, if I'm not wrong. Even like in
Really?
yeah. Especially a lot in the northern states, and also in Andhra also Urdu is huge. And every city there is a pocket of the city that speaks Urdu. There is a community.
Fair enough, maybe, yeah.
But if you
Such
look
a
at
beautiful language.
the mother tongues by number of speakers, Telugu is at 4th again. Tamil is at 5th. Kannada is now at 9th. So Kannada is going down slowly.
Shouldn't.
Dude,
Really
Yeah.
we need a save Kannada campaign quickly.
Yeah, we got it. Everybody has to start learn the language, guys. What the fuck?
I think if they make better movies, people will start learning. That's what Tamil will do. Better
But
movies.
maybe they'll learn because of their movies. Their movies, like,
No.
listen, I'm not going to lie. I will do anything to watch Mr. Punda. It's just our level.
That is an iconic movie. The Narasimha, the Basha remake, iconic.
I
Like,
haven't.
wait, what? Okay,
Wait,
do you know
the
Kannada?
Kannada remake, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I haven't watched it.
Wow.
I forgot.
But,
Fine. Seems like I'm
There's
missing
this
out on a
Rajinikanth
lot of
equivalent in
content. I'm
Karnataka.
gonna put it all down and watch it after this.
yeah, you should. Like Kannada makes amazing remakes, like proper stellar remakes.
Yeah.
Like there's one.
I've watched very few Kannada movies actually. I watched like some like Kannada English type ones. Kanglish.
I watched Dia.
Okay,
Dia
yeah,
is the
those
most-
ones I've heard, yeah. But I still want to watch Jinka Marina. Like, I don't know what movie. I just know I call the Jinka Marina movie.
Think
Because of the-
Oh, that is long back, no?
yeah,
Some
Nanda Nandita, I
2008.
think so. Yeah, no, like,
Yeah.
like that's the thing we used to jam to, dude. Like, everybody will play. Whenever we have to jam to Kannada songs, it'll be Jinka Marina. We'll come and go.
Yeah, sure, for sure.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Like this is so. I'm so out of touch with Kannada
So now
culture.
you know. So after listening to everything that we said, do you think you're going to visit Bangalore for sure?
Hey, yeah, I always wanted to visit Bangalore.
Get on helicopter and come, Adi. That's the only advice we can give you.
Oh, they have no. Ola has that service in Bangalore.
What?
Helicopter.
Yeah, they drop you from the airport to your place because there's so much. You can never reach the airport if you have
Oh,
to come
that
to the city.
airport is not in Bangalore. Like, have you seen the
Yeah,
Rahul
exactly.
Subramaniam joke? French fries is not
I know,
in France. Bangalore airport is not in Bangalore.
It's so true because so Ola offers these airlift. I don't know where that's not
Okay.
airlift, but helicopter service, and it's like 3,000 rupees or something like that. But the cab
It's
is
worth
also
it, dude.
1,000.
I am
What?
sorry, it's worth it. I am sorry,
Cab
3,000 rupees is
itself is
worth it.
1,500 bucks if you're coming from the city. So little extra, you'll be flying also, just like a
Yeah.
pre-game before you get on the real flight. So
But like, what? That is so extra.
It's not extra, dude. It's necessity.
now you know how Bangalore traffic is.
No, not that. The whole concept is so extra. I'm like, I need a helicopter to travel within the city. Ennada. Like, I don't want to join Kobe and all. Okay, I'm not in those plans.
Bro,
Hey,
Problematic.
I'm
but
scared
we'll
of
get
heights.
cancelled.
Dude.
That's good. We'll get cancelled. That's good.
You'll get me also cancelled along with both of you, okay?
Hey,
Please.
you're doing a favor, okay? Don't worry.
Cancel is good. Okay, if you get cancelled, next day some 10,000 people will come look. Who is this fucker getting cancelled? Oh my god, I actually like the content. Oh wait, it's actually not bad.
It
That's
doesn't
what
have to go that way always, just saying.
When does it not?
Logan
Donald
Paul.
Trump became president, is what I'm saying, okay?
Logan
True.
Paul is still making videos.
PewDiePie is still 100 million subscribers.
106.
106, sorry.
That guy's got cancelled the most number of times. It's all jealousy though.
No, PewDiePie kannidari, but no, but here's another Bangalore traffic story. Okay,
Huh.
I felt sick during my internship, like some serious viral infection. Like I was vomiting and everything was just like that was bad. Okay, like in the office itself, they were like, "Bro, are you okay? You don't look fine." They're like, "Go home." And I just went home and I couldn't sleep. And yeah, I told okay. So usually I take the bus. Okay, 800 rupees or something. Go to Silk Board from Silk Board. Coimbatore. Yeah, Silk Board. It'll take 4 hours to go to Silk Board, but after that, yeah, no, most of my Chennai travel is within Bangalore. Okay, Chennai to Bangalore to Chennai. Most of the time we'll spend in Bangalore only.
Yeah.
But either way, so I felt super sick and shit. So I booked the flight because I'm like, what if something happens and I'm going on the bus? Won't be cool.
Yeah.
The flight,
Oh,
I'll hold
wow.
it in for 1 hour, 40 minutes, something. I just like get out from Okay. I think I booked the 6, this is like at 9, so 9 o'clock in the night, I booked the 6 a.m. flight. Okay. So, so my dad is super OCD. He's like, 2 hours he should be before there. Like I don't know why he's like before 2 hours you
Yeah,
need to be in
it's
the
every
airport.
time. Yeah.
Every dad, right? So he's a proper dad. So like he like go be you're sick also don't sleep or something like. So I booked the cab at like 4:45 or something. To Bangalore I get the cab, okay, and then I get into the thing and it's 4:45. There is traffic. And the thing is like so it's like some 20 kilometers from where I live. I itself live in Whitefield, which is not the city. Okay. So like some 20 kilometers I'm traveling and then like so it takes me 2 hours to actually go. Like I literally check in, get on the flight. And then
So
I'm
your
like
dad
shit,
was
shit.
right.
No
But
dude, but
wait, what?
yeah,
And
you
then
have to
what?
go. There's so much to understand, dude, this story. It's a 2 hour journey, there's traffic at 4:45 a.m.
Weird.
No one
That's
really
the
understands
traffic.
what's going on in Bangalore.
Complicated. Exactly. It's like
Like
that
basic
toxic boyfriend that you can never understand.
honestly. And I paid 1,500 to go to the airport. 3,000 bucks I should have got an
Exactly.
Ola helicopter.
Now you know. The more you know, the better
Correct.
you act. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. I don't know.
No, but dude, okay, this is something I ask all Bangalorean, okay, because this is one underrated shop. No one knows. Two underrated shops. I hear you like
Huh.
shawarmas because I heard your podcast. Kebab Magic.
Kebab Magic. Okay, see, Kebab Magic is it's obviously it's iconic. It's one of the oldest I think shawarma places in the
Hmm.
city and all. It's too good. Like that was the initial shawarma that I was introduced to as a child. But
Hmm.
like eventually when you grow up, you find these new places. But if you want a typical Bangalorean like shawarma, you go to Kebab Magic for sure. Or Empire. There's Empire. I don't know if you guys
I
know
haven't been
Empire.
to Empire. I have not been to, I need to go to
But
Empire, dude.
Empire shawarma is not that good. Okay, Kebab
Okay.
Magic's damn good.
Ah.
But yeah, seriously.
Damn, we should actually go make a video in Bangalore. Go trying out all these places that
Yeah,
we
it should be
mentioned.
like all childhood places Purish has been to. If I go to Jayanagar Cornrows, you'll see me having a breakdown. You'll be like, oh my god, so good.
Hmm.
Cornrows is just too good, dude. Like, you know, I used to be so much for Bangalorean. I used to be a pro PVR person. And then they bought Satyam. And then the Satyam versus PVR war has begun.
Going for a movie in Bangalore is such a scam because you're spending your full life savings to just go watch one movie. At least in Chennai,
Yeah,
it's
bro.
cheap, I think.
In Chennai,
Hey,
it's
damn
cheap.
cheap.
It's damn cheap. And like,
Damn.
PVR bought
Okay,
like
fine.
the iconic
Don't have
Chennai.
to flex. Don't
Sorry?
have to flex because here the ticket sometimes will be 600 bucks, 500,
Oh.
600 bucks. The popcorn is 350 starting, and your travel again cab, and then the traffic. Is it really worth it? No.
And
I'll
then
tell you
Exactly.
how much experience costs. 40 rupees to go to the theater from here. Okay.
Huh.
Then the ticket is now how much is it at? 150.
100, no, 210. No, I booked last time. December I booked. 210. I paid for morning.
210. Whatever. 210 fixed price. 210. Popcorn is another some 200 bucks with combo with Coke. That's all. And 40
And
rupees back.
popcorn's good because they give you the nice powders in Chennai for flavors.
Yeah.
I know that's the dream, dude. This Bangalore theaters are.
Dude.
Like,
Bro,
I'm so
I
scared
went-
PVR owns it. Like, I'm telling you, man, I will revolt. Like, I have one goal in life. It's to become rich enough and buy back SPI from PVR. It'll be the Rajinikanth moment. It'll be like, in the Naal, one day you'll go.
in one song, Puresh will do this.
Like the Tamil Panam type. Yeah.
Exactly.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Both.
I got it.
Second one I didn't
Tamil-
like. The first one was good.
Yeah, but this is the
Second
thing. I told my friend, okay, second one is shit. He said this. It's a
The
reflection of
second
Tamil
one, somewhere
cinema.
I went into this Game of Thrones tangent. I'm like, what is happening at this point?
Yeah.
The first one is too good.
So
Too
good,
good.
bro.
It's
Like,
lit.
even the music in the first one is so iconic from Pachamanja
It was
Yellow,
so good. But the
Sirovali.
song, dude, it was a mixture of all the other Tamil songs. No?
Oh, yeah. Nakumuka Naka, Oshakalaka, Oho
Right,
Rendaka. Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Too
It's
good.
it's all the nonsense from all the Tamil songs, like all the all the nonsense words from all the Tamil
I
songs.
can't
Right.
imagine how they would have shot it without like dying
Laughing.
of laughter.
Dying,
Dude. I
yeah.
couldn't have, I can't imagine.
Dude, we need to get Shiva on the podcast. She should be like, thank you.
Oh, that'll
Maybe
be too good.
one day, our big
One
big
day.
dream.
You haven't seen
Yeah,
Rajini? I don't think she's.
Huh?
I have.
Okay.
Of course, I know. I watched I think I was in Chennai only. I watched it in theater or something. I don't know.
Oh, nice. Okay. I was too scared to watch it in theater.
I watched
Right?
both Gajinis I watched.
Like he's bald, he's buff, his tattoos, and like no, this is scary. I don't want to watch.
Yeah.
I used to be damn scared of the movies. Like I used to cry. There was this phase in the movies where we'd go. If I'm scared, I'll just go out and sit like alone. And my parents, everybody
Yeah.
finish the movie and come out.
That
2
is
hours I
fine,
just
but you
sit.
can't sit through the movie.
Oh, the scariest movies, the scariest non-scary movies I've watched. Chandramukhi, hands down, one. Onion.
Listen, it still scares me. It still haunts me, dude.
I still haven't watched the Rara video song. Okay, that's how protected I am.
I'm still too scared. I close my eyes when this part comes.
Nice,
No.
great. I feel very safe in this environment.
The scariest scene for me is, you remember, Rajini will say, "You don't know what you're talking about," and she's like, "Me, Nana, yanaka theriyadu, yanaka
Don't. I'm sitting alone in this room and I'm quite honestly scared.
Don't go that much emotion, Adi. Like, just say it, me, yanaka theriyadu. So, like, we don't need to go through that shit, okay?
Okay, but Onion is damn stupid. Okay, think about Onion.
I've had a case where I was scared of that movie also.
No. I'm scared of the movie. I'll give you that. But it's damn stupid if you think about it. First, why are buffaloes so scared of black umbrellas?
Is that the question you have after watching the full movie?
Like, he opens a black
I'll tell you
umbrella.
what is really. I was super like mesmerized by that. In that song, that Kannum Kannum Nokia, they have that watery bed with the fish and all inside. No, have you seen that?
Oh yeah.
I was sold, bro. I wanted that. I watched it and I'm like, I want
like,
this.
What wizardry is this shit?
And what is that building next to Spencer's Plaza where he jumps? No.
LIC,
yeah,
no?
the Citibank. No, Citibank. Like
Citibank.
LIC pakatla.
It's called Atrium something. It's called.
I don't know the building's name, but there's a Citibank inside that place. So Citibank.
And
Like,
every
time I cross that place, I'm like, I used to look at it. I'm like, yeah, shit.
I've been to the climax that fight. I've been there.
Where?
Like that dojo, the karate dojo.
Okay.
Huh.
Yeah,
It's an actual place.
Yeah, it's actual place.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah, the actual
nice
dojo.
Okay, I didn't know that at all.
And you know that scene, they actually set up so many cameras so they can freeze frame that scene.
Oh, so they can do the whole turning and kicking and shit. Okay.
Mad.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a mad movie. Cool. It's like every Shankar movie. Just if you watch it, it's like amazing. If you think about it, it's trash. That's like every Shankar movie. You have this. Have you guys watched Indian? It's some 70-year-old man who does this, and then people will start falling down.
He's basically Muthupandi, dude.
Oh, India sent that for Oscars.
Wait, really? And they didn't send Super Deluxe. I will forever hold it against them. I will forever hold it against us for not sending Super Deluxe. It should have been Super Deluxe, not Parasite.
And Kannada doesn't have a big film industry, no? Like, I think it's right now starting. If I'm not wrong.
It's way small. Yeah, it's way smaller, and I don't think there aren't enough movies that come out also pretty regularly. So there's nothing to really like look forward to as such.
Yeah.
Like, I remember, like, I made an Instagram post, like, the 4 M's of South India. Like, if you want to watch movies, you have the 4 M's. If you want money, you look at Telugu film industry. If you want music, you go to Tamil. If you want just the magic of cinema, you go to Malayalam. And if you want meme, you go to Kannada. Like, dude, please do yourself a favor. Go watch Mr. Punda. Like, I don't know.
Mr. Punda is amazing.
I'm gonna watch it.
They took. Oh, Puri. So the beauty of Mr. Punda is, so there's this Italian movie called By, which is a class of film history, right? It was made during the World War, or between World War I and II, or World War II. So it's one of the most important movies of history. So there's a Chinese remake of that. So Vetrimaran saw the Chinese remake and then he watched the original and then he based that to make Polladavan.
Okay.
And then some Kannada guy watched Polladavan and remade that to make Punda.
Okay, I can imagine what I'm. I
These
think I know what to expect now.
Yeah, Punda is based on one of the most classic movies ever made. But they came out with Punda.
Okay. Before we close,
Yeah,
what do you tell us like one Bangalore thing that we won't find, like traffic. Everyone knows. Corner house.
yeah.
Yeah.
The semi fan will know about corner house. What is the one thing that people should know about Bangalore?
About Bangalore.
Hey, you have to make it pakada because if we know about it, we'll say no. We'll say one more. We'll ask for one more.
I think it has to be the 99 variety dosa stall.
I know about it.
Okay.
No.
So this is
Cancel.
a very typical Bangalorean thing, but you can't. So, hey, you know about it or what?
Cancel. I know about it.
You know about the 99 variety. Don't tell you heard it after listening to that dosa episode, but okay.
No. I saw it on Instagram meme. I saw it on a post that Bangalore has a 99 variety dosa stall. I know.
But that
Next.
is iconic.
No,
Cancel.
but
Next.
I think people don't know about the serious trouble that shit can bring to you, though. Like people expect it to be some artesian 99 varieties.
But
No.
these these are like stalls, not even stalls. It's like those, those ice cream trucks, not trucks. There's guys who go on that ice cream
Colour.
cycle. Like that. It's on every roadside, and they have amazing combination: mushroom cheese, cauliflower, something dosa. Okay, so it just adds on. Like it initially starts with normal plain dosa, masala dosa. Then it goes like that, slowly, just like more and more components. And people who go for that are usually really ballsy, okay, and they need to have a strong stomach for it. Otherwise, you're going straight to the hospital from there. That's a given.
So in the meme I
So
saw,
yeah.
the thing I liked the most in the meme I saw was mushroom chocolate.
Chocolate dosa is a thing. I don't know. Mushroom chocolate.
Chocolate,
I'm
day.
going to try this.
You want to
I
try
was
this also?
I was
Why not?
intrigued. I was like, I mean, I never thought those two will go together. But I was like, what is the worst that can happen? Like, I've had chocolate,
You go to
I've
the
had
hospital. That's gonna happen anyway if
mushroom.
you decide to go eat there. So it's
No, if
fine.
I'm going to have dosa and mushroom and then I eat chocolate after, nothing has happened so far. Why not just eat
Mix
all
it
three
up.
together?
Exactly.
Exactly. It's about
Also,
efficiency. Correct. Okay. Now I get it.
yeah, instead of eating and then making shit, you might as well eat shit itself. No, like that same concept.
Okay. On the topic of dosa, before we close, which sambar, dude?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, I'm being
Yeah.
honest. Karnataka sambar. For
Hey,
this.
what? Uh, what? Unexpected.
Sorry. I like the sweetness of it. I really enjoy it.
The
Okay.
sheer sudden, the sheer arrogance of it. What?
No, but okay. I'd like devil's advocate here. Okay. I am not a sambar person, but
Yeah,
I
I'm not a
really
sambar.
like.
When it comes to sambar, I like Karnataka sambar.
Yeah, that's my philosophy. And if you think about it, I like the Karnataka-ish Tamil Nadu sambars. Like a little bit of vellam should be there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
like have you been to Annapurna or Ratna Cafe? It's not super Karnataka, but that Udupi lineage is there a little bit.
Oh, that is too good. That is just.
That is best of
It's
both
so.
worlds. It's nice. But I say this, in order to make Karnataka sambar work, you need Karnataka dosa. You need that slightly sweeter batter.
Wait, the
It won't
dosa is
work. It's not sweet.
The
It
what?
won't be as
Wait.
fermented.
It's like I don't know how to explain. It's too oily and I don't know how to explain it. I don't know.
Like they have a lot of nay. Okay, they and
Too
like
much nahi, yeah.
yeah, but the thing is the batter isn't as fermented because it's not as hot there, right? So it's not that pulchified. So then it's sort of
Having served.
yeah. I am a dosa connoisseur. Okay, so like it sort of plays this line between dosa and appam, which is why that sambar is brilliant because that sambar is sort of like tengapal at that point. That's nice.
It's nice, yeah. Actually, it's nice.
But with if you go to Murugan Idli Kada, get dosa there. It won't be nice with this sambar. Yeah. But Karnataka needs to up its coffee game, dude. Like they produce some of the best coffee in the country. Why are their fast food coffee this bad?
I love it. I think at this point I've just gotten used to it, so I like really enjoy it.
Okay.
Damn. I didn't expect people on this side of the fence.
That took
Back.
a very dramatic turn, I feel.
Yeah, that's very confident.
Yeah.
We'll get cancelled, Adi. This is the plan. We'll get cancelled for this
Hey,
for 100%.
மாட்டாங்கடா சாம்பார் வேணா கேன்சல் பண்ணுவாங்கடா.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for coming, Samyukta.
Thank you so much for having me, guys. This is so much fun.
This is
Yeah.
awesome, dude. Yeah.
If possible.
Yes, you have to make that YouTube playlist too.
Correct.
We
Yes.
should make
3
the
a.m. Correct.
Exactly.
Yeah.
3 a.m.
The
Okay.
3 a.m. playlist.
Yes, guys. If
Yes.
you like what you guys, if you guys like, if you like this podcast, listen to Samyukta's podcast, Bob Talks. It's awesome. It's about Bangalore. Especially if you don't know about Bangalore, you'll actually enjoy it. Like, she has stories about how she's that how like her friends taken 2 naps in traffic and shit there. So I got that story before you guys got it, because I listened to the podcast. So listen, be like me and listen to Bob Talks.
Thank you.
As a teaser, I want to show you guys what what we're talking about when we say we're going to make the playlist. This is the style that we're looking for. Okay? Watch this video.
I like it. We'll work on that.
See, my brain
This
is
is the
still not
style.
in the 3 a.m. phase, so I can't fully appreciate it, but I get it.
Okay, then try it at 3 a.m. Give it a go.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you go to 3 a.m., watch this again at 3 a.m.
Yes.
E. Stellar success.
That's been us.
Bye.
That's Samyukta, me, and Adi, as usual. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for watching. Nandri.
Vanakkam.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.